Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, friend and esteemed professor. My name is Richie Anggriawan, and I am from Mojokerto. I am the second child of four siblings. I am very happy to be part of the bike family of mechanical engineering at Muhammadiyah University, Surabaya. Currently, I work at a private company in Surabaya, focusing on the construction field, specifically mechanical and electrical. My interest in mechanical engineering arose because it is still within the scope of my current job. I hope to delve deeper into this field and contribute to innovative projects in the future. Outside of academic, I also really enjoy sport and hope to meet new friends with the same interests. I am very much looking forward to the enjoyable learning experience and the challenge we will face together in this program. Thank you for attention, friend and professor. Let's support each other and grow together. I also hope we can meet and get to know each other better. Thank you. See you later.